Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to say it the obvious, but just to establish some context here, very impressive move on the day. When you think about the fact that it being the price at one point was down there all the way during that first 30 minutes, and then the price ultimately recovered all the way back up to where it did. Any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very impressive move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right there at the $15.75 mark. So why is $15.75 important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down to $15.75, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. Now, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, because to be fair, no price can just go straight up. Maybe the price comes down here, the difference being behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined is right there around 1550. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep a close eye on that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So yes, right now it is valued at 1885, but that line is going to move itself lower and lower, and therefore that value will change. But just generally speaking, you're going to want to keep a close eye on that as that main battleground. But overall, yeah, very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this bounce and momentum moving forward. Let's see how things play out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.